In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze marketing email campaign performance in HubSpot. Let's start from the very beginning. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual login details. Once you're in, look over to the main navigation where you'll see the marketing section on the left panel. Hover your mouse over the marketing icon and a menu will appear. From that menu, click on Email. This will take you to your email dashboard, where you'll see a list of all the marketing emails you've created and sent. From this list, choose the specific email whose performance you want to analyze by clicking on its name. After you select the email, you'll land on a detailed overview page. At the top, you'll see basic information such as the subject line, preview text, the sender name, the sender address, and the date the email was sent. Just below this information, there are tabs. Make sure you're on the Performance tab, as this is where all the analytics live. On the Performance page, you'll first see a row of tiles showing your open rate, click rate, and reply rate. These give you a quick snapshot of how people interacted with your email. The open rate tells you how many recipients opened the email. The click rate shows how many clicked on at least one link, and the reply rate shows direct responses. When you scroll down, the next row focuses on delivery. Here you'll see successful deliveries, bounces, unsubscribes, and spam reports. This section helps you understand whether your email is actually reaching inboxes and how your audience is reacting. You'll also see revenue attribution, where you can choose an attribution model and adjust the date range to see how this email contributed to revenue over time. Scroll further and you'll see the HTML click map. This lets you view where people clicked in your email, and you can toggle between desktop and mobile views to compare behavior. Next are the top clicked links, where you can switch between combined, HTML, and plain text to see which links performed best. You'll also find top engaged contacts, showing the individuals who opened and clicked the most. Continuing down, you'll see unsubscribe reasons, which can help you refine your content, followed by time spent viewing the email, broken down into read, skimmed, and glanced. Then you have engagement over time, with a drop-down to filter the first 24 hours, 48 hours, first week, or first month. Finally, you'll see opens by email client, and you can toggle between opens and clicks to understand where people are viewing your email. And that's it. You've now walked through how to analyze a marketing email campaign's performance in HubSpot.